All right, let's talk about something that's quietly affecting pretty much every single home in Alexandria, Virginia. From the historic streets of Old Town all the way to modern Potomac Yard, there's a secret hiding in plain sight, right up there on your roof.
I mean, just look at the difference here. On the one side, you've got a brick chimney that's seen literal centuries of history, and on the other, a sleek, modern vent. Now, this incredible architectural diversity is what makes Alexandria so cool, right? But it also creates a really complex puzzle for homeowners.
Okay, so let's dive right into this, because understanding the sheer variety is the absolute first step in solving a local mystery that could be costing you real money and your peace of mind.
This slide really puts that timeline into perspective. We've got everything from federal-era townhomes to brand-new construction. And here's the thing, a chimney built back in the 1700s has completely different needs than a gas vent that was installed last year. It just means a one-size-fits-all approach? It just doesn't work here.
But what if I told you there's one common element, one shared threat that connects every single one of these homes? It's a factor that most generic maintenance guides totally miss, but it's very, very specific to our geography right here in Alexandria.
So, what is it? What's this one thing that relentlessly attacks every chimney in Alexandria, whether you're in Old Town or out in the West End? And here it is. Our villain is water. Simple, persistent, and made so much worse by Alexandria's specific location right on the Potomac River. You know, this isn't just about rain. Being this close to the river creates this consistently humid environment. That moisture literally seeps into the brick and mortar, which makes the damage from freeze-thaw cycles in the winter way more severe. It causes your chimney structure to break down faster than it would just a few miles inland. It's wild. So now, let's take a little tour of the city and see how this constant battle against moisture actually shows up in different neighborhoods. We'll start in Old Town, where the chimneys are the oldest and, frankly, working the hardest. We're talking about structures that are over 2 centuries old, often with these complex multi-flue systems for different rooms. And don't forget, any major exterior repair here might need approval from the Board of Architectural Review.
Now let's hop over to Del Rey. The homes are just so charming, but the chimneys are now hitting that century mark. And while they're simpler in design, they're at that age where the original mortar and crown are pretty much crying out for attention after a long fight with the elements.
Now check out the geography here. Belle Haven and Park Fairfax are built on some of the lowest land in the city, which basically puts them on the front lines. The river's humidity hits them first, and it hits them hardest, making them incredibly susceptible to moisture damage. And hey, even if you're in newer areas like the West End and Kingstowne, you are not immune. A lot of those prefabricated metal systems that were installed back in the 80s and 90s are now hitting the end of their expected lifespan. Their components are starting to wear out, and that means that inspection is more critical than ever. So, seeing how differently each neighborhood is affected, well, that brings up some really crucial questions for homeowners. Let's tackle the biggest ones in a quick, rapid-fire round. This is the big one, right? Especially for anyone in a historic home. You love the character, but you look at that old fireplace and you wonder, is it actually safe to light a fire in there? And the answer is crystal clear. You simply cannot know by just looking at it from the outside. A level 2 camera inspection is the only way to see what's really going on inside that flue, to check for hidden cracks, blockages, or a missing liner that could be a serious risk. Okay, now for the other end of the spectrum. You've got a new, convenient gas fireplace. You just flip a switch, there's no wood, no soot, so no maintenance needed, correct?
That is a dangerous assumption, and it is completely wrong. Gas systems don't produce that black sooty creosote, sure, but their vents can corrode, their seals can fail, and birds or squirrels love to build nests in the caps. That can create a hazardous blockage. They absolutely need an annual check.
Okay, between historic masonry, modern vents, and the constant threat from moisture, I know it can feel a little overwhelming. But what's the actual solution? How do you cut through all the complexity and just make sure your home is safe? Let's break it down.
It all starts with a simple, transparent solution. No complicated estimates, no hidden fees. Just one clear price to get you the answers you need.
And here's the crucial point. That price includes a cleaning and the essential Level 2 video inspection. It is not some expensive add-on that you get surprised with later on.
This really illustrates the value perfectly. You see, many companies advertise a low base price, but then they charge you hundreds extra for the camera inspection you actually need. This all-in-one approach is just designed to be honest and straightforward from the start. So ultimately, it all boils down to these 3 simple steps. Get it professionally inspected, take a moment to actually understand its condition, and then just commit to the regular maintenance it needs. That is the path to safety and to real peace of mind.
So we're left with one final, important question. After decades or even centuries of service, through countless seasons of humidity, rain, and ice, what's really hiding inside your chimney?